Learning about the environmental science of pollution and remediation involves understanding the sources, impacts, and mitigation strategies of pollution on the environment and human health, as well as the technologies and approaches used to remediate polluted sites. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you delve into this field. Gain a foundation in environmental science. Start by gaining a foundational understanding of environmental science, the interdisciplinary study of the Earth's systems, natural resources, and interactions between human activities and the environment. Learn about environmental processes, ecosystems, biogeochemical cycles, and the principles of environmental sustainability. Understand types and sources of pollution. Dive into the study of pollution, the introduction of contaminants into the environment that cause adverse effects. Learn about different types of pollution, including air pollution, water pollution, soil contamination, noise pollution, and light pollution, as well as their sources such as industrial emissions, vehicle exhaust, agricultural runoff, and waste disposal. Explore environmental chemistry. Investigate environmental chemistry, the study of chemical processes and reactions that occur in the environment, including the fate, transport, and transformation of pollutants. Learn about principles of environmental toxicology, chemical kinetics, thermodynamics, and partitioning behavior of pollutants in air, water, soil, and biota. Study environmental monitoring and assessment. Learn about environmental monitoring and assessment techniques used to measure, analyze, and evaluate pollution levels in the environment. Explore methods such as air quality monitoring, water quality monitoring, soil sampling, biomonitoring, and remote sensing, as well as the use of environmental indicators and models to assess pollution impacts. Understand pollution health effects. Explore the health effects of pollution on human health and ecosystems. Learn about the respiratory, cardiovascular, neurological, and reproductive effects of air pollution, the gastrointestinal and dermal effects of water pollution, and the ecological impacts of pollution on wildlife, biodiversity, and ecosystem services. Learn about pollution regulations and policies. Study environmental regulations, policies, and international agreements aimed at preventing and reducing pollution. Learn about laws such as the Clean Air Act, Clean Water Act, Resource Conservation and Recovery Act, RCRA, Comprehensive Environmental Response, Compensation, and Liability Act, CERCLA, and international agreements such as the Kyoto Protocol and Paris Agreement. Explore pollution control and prevention strategies. Investigate pollution control and prevention strategies used to mitigate pollution and protect the environment and public health. Learn about pollution prevention techniques, pollution control technologies such as scrubbers, filters, and catalytic converters, and best management practices for reducing pollutant emissions and releases. Study environmental risk assessment. Gain insights into environmental risk assessment, the process of identifying, evaluating, and managing risks associated with pollution and contaminated sites. Learn about risk assessment methodologies, exposure pathways, dose-response relationships, and risk communication strategies used to inform decision-making and public health protection. Explore pollution remediation technologies. Investigate pollution remediation technologies used to clean up contaminated sites and restore environmental quality. Learn about physical, chemical, and biological remediation techniques such as soil vapor extraction, pump and treat systems, bioremediation, phytoremediation, and in situ chemical oxidation, as well as innovative approaches such as nanoremediation and electrokinetic remediation. Stay informed about environmental science research. Keep up to date with the latest research, developments, and innovations in the field of environmental science, pollution, and remediation. Follow scientific journals, publications, and news outlets that cover environmental research, pollution control technologies, and remediation strategies. Engage with environmental science research communities, attend conferences, and participate in interdisciplinary collaborations to stay informed and contribute to the field. By following these steps and immersing yourself in the environmental science of pollution and remediation, you can gain a deeper understanding of the challenges and solutions associated with environmental pollution and contamination. Your exploration and engagement may contribute to advancements in pollution prevention, environmental protection, and sustainable development, helping to safeguard human health and the environment for future generations.